Now I explain one simple technique how to remember all these trigonometric ratios with specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. I explain one simple technique. Okay, what is that? So you take some of the values like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and you divide all these values with 4 with 4. Okay, you divide all these values with 4. Okay, now we have to find out the square root of it. Okay, so if you know all the values of sine theta, automatically you can write every value from this table. Okay, how to write? So 0 by 4, 0 by 4 means 0, root 0 means what? 0. Okay, root 0 means how much? 0. And root 1 by root 4, root 1 means how much? 1 by root 4 means 2. That means sine 30 equal to how much? 1 by 2. And another one is root 2 by root 4. Okay, root 2 by root 4, root 2 by root 4 means 2. Okay, so we have to multiply root 2 with both numerator and denominator. So find out the rationalizing factor of root 2, that is root 2. You multiply that root 2 both numerator and denominator, that equal to root 2 into root 2 whole square by 2 root 2. So square and root cancel. Okay, 2 by 2 root 2 cancel, that equal to 1 by root 2. So the value of sine 45 equal to how much? 1 by root 2. And another one is root 3 by root 4. Root 3 by root 4 means 2. So the value of sine 60 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. And root 4 by root 2, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 equal to how much? 1. Root 1 equal to how much? 1. So these are the values of sine theta with specific angle. Sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. And sine 90, 1. If you remind all these values, automatically you can write everything. Cos, tan, cot, cosecant and secant also. Okay. So what are they? Sine 0 how much? 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. And sine 90 equal to 1. Okay. Now we have to write remaining ratios. Now sine values. Okay. Sine 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 0. Now we have to write cos values. Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60 and 90 degrees. Simply write there vice versa. That means you write 1. Now 60 root 3 by 2 and sine 45 cos 45 both are same, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. That means you write the vice versa of all sine values. That means sine 90 and cos 0 both are same. What is that? 1. And sine 30 and sine 60 both are same. They are 1 by 2. Okay. Sine 45 and cos 45 both are same, 1 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Okay. So anyway, okay, you simply write the vice versa of all these values. You can get the values of cos theta. Okay. Now we have to find out tan theta. Tan theta can be expressed as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Already explained it. Okay. Sin theta by cos theta. Find out the division of all. You can get the values of tan theta. So 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means how much? 0. And 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, that equal to 1 by root 3. And here root 2 cancel, because same numerator 1 by root 2, denominator also 1 by root 2. So both are having same, you can get 1. So tan 45 equal to 1. Next one, here 2 cancel, root 3 by 1, that means root 3. Because sin 60 by cos 60, that equal to tan 60. So root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancel, that equal root 3 by 1. That means root 3. And last one, tan 90. Tan 90 equal to cos 90 by sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 91, cos 90 0, 1 by 0 equal to infinite. That means undefined. Theoretically, how to get infinite already explained in our previous video. But technically, how to remind all these values? Very simple. If you, for example, if you want to find out sin tan 30 degrees value, you don't know, but you know sin 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 equal to cos 60. Both are same. That is also 1 by 2. Okay. So if you want to find sin tan 30 value, okay, sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, and cos 30 equal to how much? Sin 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, sin 60, cos 30 both are same. Okay, find out the division, you can get the value of 1 by root 3. For example, if you want to find tan 60, we don't know. For example, tan 60 equal to sin 60 by cos 60. Okay, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60, we don't know. But cos 60 equal to sin 30. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. That equal to root 3 by 1. That equal to root 3. Okay, you have to find out such values with the help of these techniques. Okay, next one, cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. That means you write the reciprocals 1 by 0 infinite, or you write vice versa. And root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that equal to root 3. Okay, so cot 45 equal to cos 45 by sin 45. Okay, that equal to 1. And another one is cot 60. Cot 60 equal to cos 60 by sin 60. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that equal to 1 by root 3. And last and final, cot 90. Cot 90 equal to cos 90 by sin 90. That means 0 by 1, that equal to 0. Or you write all values of tan in vice versa. That means reversing order. Okay. Next one is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Okay. That means you write the all reciprocals of sine. Sine, you can get the value of cosecant theta. Okay, so cosecant 0. Cosecant 0 means 0. 0 by 1, its reciprocal infinite. Because sin 0, 0. Its reciprocal 0 by 1. Its reciprocal 1 by 0. 1 by 0 equal to how much? Infinite. Okay, next cos 30. Okay, cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 means the reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 equal to how much? 1 by 2. Its reciprocal 2 by 1. 2. And cosecant 45. Cosecant 45 means that is the reciprocal of sin 45. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. That's the reciprocal root 2 by 1. That means root 2. And another one is cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 equal to the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Its reciprocal 2 by root 2. And last and final, cosecant 90. Cosecant 90 means that is the reciprocal of sin 90. Sin 90 equal to how much? 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Its reciprocal 1 by 1. That means 1. Okay. Next, secant theta. That is the reciprocal of cos theta. That is the reciprocal of cos theta. Okay. So if you don't know the values of sin, secant 0, secant 30, secant 45 like that, simply write down the reciprocals of all cos values. Okay. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So secant 0 means the reciprocal of cos 0. So cos 0 equal to 1, its reciprocal 1 by 1 like 1. Okay, next one, secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees means that is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 equal to how much? 1 root 3 by 2. Its reciprocal 2 by root 3. Okay, secant 45. Secant 45 means that is the reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Their reciprocal root 2 by 1, that equal to root 2. And next one is secant 60. Secant 60 we don't know, but the reciprocal of cos 60 is known as secant 60. Cos 60 and sin 30 also same. Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Their reciprocal is secant 60. That means 2 by 1 2. And last and final, okay, cos secant 90. Secant 90 means 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 equal to how much? 0. So 1 by 0. 1 by 0 equal to how much? Infinite. That means simply write all the values of cosecant in vice versa. You can get secant also. So that is say another technique. So you have to remind all these values. Automatically you can find many of the problems which are related to some specific values of all trigonometric ratios. What you observe here? Here sin 45, cos 45 both are same, and tan 45, cot 45 both are same, and another one is cosecant 45 and secant 45 also same. Okay, so all of you you remind all these techniques. Okay, what are they? Sin 45 and cos 45 both are same, and tan 45 equal to cot 45 both are same, and cosecant 45 degrees and secant 45 degrees both are same. So there, that is 1 by root 2. This is 1, tan 45 equal to cot 45 1, and this equal to root 2. Okay.